Hey guys, hope you had a nice time in Dublin and hope Surf Summit is treating you very well. We've got, I met some of you online, some of you on the Surf Web Summit, and some of you I could not meet. Obviously, it was a very big crowd. We could not meet each other. I just want to leave with a quick note of thank you for all of your interest in Bubble Spy and Uform. So it's wonderful, overwhelming to see that kind of a response from all of you guys. We were whatever they requested, you requested some of more details, so I'll be sending them across shortly. Some of you have met my team as well. For others who could not do it, obviously because of this crowd, I would like to give you a very short introduction about Bubble Spy and Uform now. Bubble Spy is a fifth way of buying online. Currently, you can go online, you can buy a product for a set price and in the set terms, or you can buy it in bid it online, or you can buy it in bulk, or you can do it in groups. But then we are coming with the fifth way where you can actually go and select a product and set a time when you want it, what price you want it for, and in what terms. Let's leave the rest for the platform and the suppliers to do it. What the platform will do in the back end is it will grow the demand bubble, it will create demand bubble. Using a data science, it grows it and constantly pushes the manufacturers and suppliers to supply to that demand, and you get the products in when the demand is met. In the Uform is a social enterprise project. What we are trying to do it for the farmers. There are millions of farmers who are committing a suicide across the world. This is due to non-constant farming incomes. Farming incomes are not very consistent. So we are trying to club the passion of the urban-based society. We all are urban-based society. We want to farm, but we don't have the know-how and how to do it. But on the rural, people have got the farmland and have the know-how. We are trying to club this with a disruptive technology. The interface is similar as the Formula game that you see, and people can play this farming online. We do replicate this on the ground to help the farmers. The farmers will get a consistent income by replication of this online in offline. So they get for the farming land they get to charge, and for the time they get to charge. We have got about 500,000 people who are interested in this. This is particularly big monies in developing countries like India and China. So we'd like to start off by doing that. These are the two projects that we are doing. For both of this, we are looking for 10 million investment at a preferred stock of 20%. So I just want to leave you guys with all this note. And thank you very much for all your interest. For all of some of you are already in touch, and we'll be sending all these details. We'll be working towards making it happen in real in few days. And for others, any fresh interests are really welcome. I'll be leaving my contacts here with. Please go ahead and please feel free to contact me at any time. Have a safe journey. I hope you are going to have a very nice time and remember this time forever. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye bye.